Welcome back. So we are going to be finishing up the second part today. So the carbon piece is completed. What I'm going to do now is, I haven't even used this yet and I'm excited to. So this is my new carbon roll. I got this a few months back. So I'm going to use this new carbon roll. What I'm going to do is my first layer down here is going to be the regular carbon weave. I'm going to do two layers of the regular carbon weave, and then I'm going to break out my very large roll of fiberglass, and then I'm just going to pile this on to do as much strength and rigidity as possible. I kept debating, so off camera I like to try and do somewhat of planning in my head. I don't write anything down, I just like to go through things in my head. And the usual way to make a skateboard, a longboard, is you have like a thin piece of plywood. I want to completely negate that entire step. I don't want to use plywood. I want it to be straight, just resins and carbon and a minuscule amount of fiberglass. Even though it's probably going to be a little bit more than minuscule, it's still going to be the same principle of it is carbon. So without further ado, I am heating up my resin right now and we are going to get ready to pour that. But first, while that is heating up, I'm going to start cutting all of my things to size so I can just start laying them in and rolling them out. Let's get to it.
That sound like something you'd be into. I believe the truth can be reality. Will you roll with that? 'Cause I want you to. I'm stuck in trying to find a way to make it easier to say. There's just one thing on my mind, and I think it's time for you to realize I want you all to myself. Don't want to share you with nobody else. So give me something to believe. Will you promise me? Burned me once or twice, I expect them. I just wanna know what your truth is. Will you be the one to break me out of this? I want you all to myself. Don't wanna share you with nobody else. So give me something to believe.
So we have popped it out of the mold now. It came out very good. Definitely where I want it to be strength-wise. Let me give you a nice little close-up here. So now you can really see this carbon. Now this just has to get sanded down along with the other piece so that it can really, really glass out and you can see all the incredible carbon features of it. So this piece is going to be the bottom so that the fiberglass that's on top stays like that. This piece will then go over it and then we can resin it. So this side right here is going to get sanded. This side right here is going to get sanded. I'm going to block those out. And then we can put some resin and put it back in a little squeeze, and then we can cut it to the shape that we need it. Give you guys another little close-up of it. Now I can see both of those really crazy layers. Came out really nice. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Next time you see me, we're going to be putting this thing together. I'll see you in the next one.